What if I told you that you could start building real passive income online with just $100 and an internet connection? No coding, no special degree, no secret formula, just smart ideas that work in 2025. In this video, I'll share 5 proven ways to make money online and grow it into real financial freedom. 1. Print-on-demand business. Let's start with one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income online. Print-on-demand. POD. Here's how it works. You design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, tote bags, or phone cases, and list them on platforms such as Redbubble, Printify, or Teespring. When a customer places an order, the platform handles everything: printing, packaging, and shipping. You simply collect the profit. All you need to start is $100. That covers your initial design tools like Canva Pro or a few professional design templates from Creative Fabrica. You don't have to buy inventory or worry about logistics. The key to success is focusing on niches. Don't just create random shirts. Target specific communities. For example, designs for dog lovers, gamers, gym enthusiasts, or coffee addicts. The more specific your niche, the better your chances of consistent sales. Here's a quick scenario. You upload 200 designs. Even if just 10% of them start selling regularly, those 20 products could easily generate $500 to $2,000 a month in passive income. Once uploaded, they continue to sell for years with no additional work. This business is perfect for beginners because it teaches you design, marketing, and branding, and requires no technical background. It's a slow start, but once you build up your catalog, it truly becomes a set-and-forget income stream. 2. Affiliate marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing, one of the most consistent and scalable passive income streams online. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale made through your referral link. The best part? You don't have to create your own product or handle customer service. You can start by joining affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or Digistore24. Choose a niche that interests you: tech gadgets, personal finance, health, fitness, or online courses. Now, use your $100 to create a basic WordPress website or blog. This covers your domain name and hosting for the first year. Then start creating content, product reviews, tutorials, or comparison posts, and include your affiliate links. For example, if you promote a $200 course with a 30% commission, that's $60 per sale. Just 20 sales a month equals $1,200, and as your traffic grows, your earnings become fully passive. Affiliate marketing also works beautifully on YouTube or TikTok. You can create short videos reviewing software tools or gadgets, and put your affiliate links in the description. Even one viral video can bring in hundreds of sales. The secret is consistency. Build trust with your audience by recommending genuinely useful products. Affiliate income compounds over time, and once you have multiple videos or blog posts ranking, the sales keep rolling in automatically. 3rd, digital product store. Now let's move to one of the most profitable forms of passive income: digital products. Unlike physical products, digital ones are created once and sold infinitely. There's no inventory, no shipping, and no manufacturing cost. Examples include Notion templates, ebooks, printable planners, music loops, stock photos, or even AI-generated art. You can sell these products on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Here's how to start with just $100. Spend $50 on a design tool like Canva Pro. Spend $30 to create your first few products, like templates, guides, or planners. Use the remaining $20 for marketing. Maybe promote your store on Pinterest or Instagram. For instance, let's say you make a simple Notion planner for freelancers priced at $15. If you sell just 10 copies a day, that's $150 a day, or $4,500 per month. And once the product is made, every new sale is pure profit. The key here is to make products that solve real problems: time management, budgeting, productivity, or content planning. You can also use AI tools to help create ebooks, write product descriptions, or generate unique artwork. Once your products rank well on Etsy or Gumroad, this business becomes truly passive. your designs keep selling long after you've made them. 4. YouTube Automation Channel. This next one is for those who want to earn while being completely behind the scenes. YouTube automation. Yes, you can run a YouTube channel without showing your face or recording your voice. Thanks to AI, you can now automate almost everything, from scripting to editing. Here's how to start. Choose a profitable niche. Finance, tech, motivation, luxury, or travel. Use ChatGPT to write engaging scripts. Use ElevenLabs for realistic AI voiceovers. Use Pexels, Storyblocks, or Envato for stock videos. Edit everything with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. You can spend your $100 on a good video editor subscription or pay a freelancer to design professional thumbnails. Once your channel is monetized, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you monthly through ads. That same video might continue earning smaller amounts every month for years. Combine that with dozens of uploads, and you have a true passive income engine. 5. AI tools and microservices. Finally, let's talk about something that's exploding in 2025: AI-powered microservices. This is a game changer for anyone who wants to start small and grow fast. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pika Labs, and Canva AI to offer quick, automated services online. For example, write blog articles using ChatGPT, write YouTube video scripts in minutes. You can list these services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, and every time someone orders, you deliver high-quality results in minutes. All powered by AI. Here's how it scales. Let's say you offer YouTube script writing for $30 per script. You complete each script using ChatGPT in 10 minutes. 5 orders per day equals $150 per day, or $4,500 per month. As your client base grows, you can automate even more. Create packages, templates, or even subscriptions for repeat customers. Conclusion. Let's recap the 5 passive income ideas. You can start with only $100. Print on demand. Design and sell products with no inventory. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn lifetime commissions. Digital product store. Sell templates, ebooks, or guides that run on autopilot. YouTube automation. Create faceless AI-powered channels for ad income. Every successful online entrepreneur started small, with simple tools, 0 experience, and 1 decision. To start now. Like, share, and subscribe.